Hi guys, good evening. So I'm back. I'm here again, facing a lot of things. For tonight, I just would like to give my reflection about what's happening lately. So a lot of things, actually, bombarded things have been, circulating, especially over social media, and it's really quite bombarding. From the Jude Bacalso's um, viral issue on social media on Facebook. Yep, that the one he's claiming that he was only trying to educate a certain person, a waiter or a server or a crew from a certain restaurant, then to somebody coming from the showbiz industry. You know who I'm talking about. But actually he's my idol. I really like him. I idolize him because he's really a good actor, and aside from that, his late father was also my idol. Yeah, and even his stepmom, Lorna Tolentino, his father is Rode Fernandez, the boy. So yeah, but I have nothing against him about what he did. Uh, Mini enjoy it. Kidding, ting mabasta ani. Bitaw, no? Okay, but let's talk about Jude Wacalso's um, issue. Okay, that he tried to, like what he said, like what he's claiming, that he was only trying to educate the guy that server, that waiter from a restaurant at Ayala Center, Cebu. But for me, let's say, I don't know. I don't know. I cannot say that the server has violated him, his being, or has assaulted him in a way. I think the waiter didn't do anything wrong. Okay, he was only trying to be, he was only trying to show respect, and he was only trying to act like a professional one. And besides, I think it's the establishment, or it's the company's orientation to, and that's normally the way people are addressed, especially in a certain establishments. It's either mom or sir. And sometimes, because of, murag dako na malagi ning buot pod sa mga third sex, no? Inauna ko nga third sex. I'm not quite sure with my language. Okay, so third sex, so I'm talking about the gays and the lesbian. So, um, on the other part, they give confusion to some people, especially to somebody else nga karon lang jud nimo pod makita no mamit. So syempre maglibog sila kung magmamog mag-sir kayo sa maglibog sila kay tingali pwede noon sila og makasab-an ba kinara ba po, yeah, they are gays, but if you call them mom, still they get offended, they feel offended. So masuko, no? Or bisan ang tumbo, you call her a mom, nagyapoy uban nga masuko. So to be safe na lang, to be sure, or the safest way is to address the person mom or sir. Okay? So that's what the waiter, murag silingan na ba yan ako kay taga Villaba ko niya. Taga Palumpon naman da ito. So mo na buto yang gibuhat po. But unfortunately, naka-timing siya tao nga maldita, no? Very very self-entitled, no? Kay basta maldita nga, wakaw, there's nothing wrong with being maldita, pero guwa sa lugar di jud pud maayo. Unya karon panahon na magmaldita ka, uy, it's dangerous already because of this social media, di ba? In just an eye blink, you will really you will really get famous because of social media, Facebook. Diba? So you should be really, you should watch your manners good karong panahon na. And you should be cautious or prudent enough about how you act, about what you say, how you say it, especially when if you are in front of the public. It's really, well, sa bagay, kung gusto dyan ka musikat, because you know what, my realization this time or recently is that if you really want to get, or if you really want to become famous, or if you really want to become popular, so it's so easy. Okay, you don't have to, you don't have to enter showbiz, or you don't have to enter showbiz for you to become famous or popular. Okay, you don't have to, to be a politician to become popular, or you don't have to join in a national contest, competition like PGT or The Voice or whatsoever for you to become famous. The only way is you do, it's either you do bad or you do good thing in front of the public. And then, of course, you should take, it's either you take a picture or a video. Okay? But if you want, quick fame or popularity, so you do bad. Like a sex scandal, okay? Or what is this? You get involved in, what is this? You get involved in, kana magaway-away gali, no? Or, basta, magbinastos ka in front of the camera, and then you upload that on the social media. So there you will really go viral very quick. Oh, sikat ka na. Okay, but let me make myself clear. I'm not advising you to do that. Okay, just in case you want to get famous, you want to get popular. So kana kay mo jud ako nabantayan bitaw, no? Especially kung maot imong buhaton nya na ay naka-video. It's either mangaway ka dihang tao, manungo ka, magwala ka diha sa tindahan or sa restaurant. No, nya na ay video, dali ra kay ka musika, trending gyud ka, viral. So kung ganahan lang baka mo sikat, hala, you know already what to do. Because if you do philanthropic thing, mga maayo nga butang, and then you post it on the social media, still you will become famous, but not as quick as you do bad thing and then you post on social media. Mas dali gyud mo sikat. Okay? But I'm not advising you how to do that, to do bad thing and then you post on social media. Okay? But in all honesty, I have to be honest, I am very much entertained with this, I don't know what term to use, with these things that are, happening, going around on social media. Entertain ko, and somehow there's a lesson learned. There's a lesson that I learned from these people who are involved in some of these in some of the situations or controversies. Pero di jud maayo because like what Jude Bacalso did to the waiter, that mao yang giingon iya ko nung gi-educate. So I myself, I'm not quite sure if it's really 2 hours, no? Basig na-exaggerate ra po na siya. So it's either 2 hours or more than 2 hours or lesser than that. But the thing is, what I'm sure is, you have no right, even if it's only a couple of minutes or a few minutes, you have no right to treat people that way, in that manner. Okay? Now, okay, sige, atong i-consider ang gibati ni Kuan kay feeling man gud niya babae siya. And then she demands people to address her mom or miss, basta babae gyud. And then he feels murag mo offend siya sa akong pronoun kay he. Okay, labot. He feels offended. Okay, mabastos siya. So, okay raman ni makikistorya siya, no? Pwede raman mahangyo siya sa tao nga tawagan lang ko gani ana. That's how I want to be addressed. Okay man na masabot man ng tao. Wa lang jud na mao ang iyahang approach nga imong paburagon kay bisan pag 1 minute lang imong pabaragon oy. You have no license to do that to anyone else. Especially you are not his employer, his boss, or you are not the one paying him. You are not the one giving him salary or a wage. Okay, you have no right, especially doing that in the public. You know, that's a huge humiliation. Pwede biya ka makasuhan siguro ni ana, no? Okay, karon dali ra gud kaayo kay tungod na di ta kahibaw na ay nag-video nato. Mo to'y disgrasya, ikaw no ina disgrasya karon jud, di ba? Siguro pwede ta magkuhag statistical tawag ani analysis karon kung pila na karon ka thousands or million ang nagbash nimo because of your manifestation, because of your dealing or treatment to the person. Ordinary in town kayo magali kay wa ka katunong og sokol or maldito. Kay nakatunong ka jud kuan ka unya unsa man na imo mga imbis nga mag-publicly apologize ka, miingon ka pa nga mga hampas lupa, mga basher hampas lupa. Before you bash me, look at my achievements. Uy, no matter how big or small your achievement is or your achievements are, it's useless. Okay? It's useless kung ang imuhang character, imuhang attitude is foul. Okay? Because if there's one thing that I always adhere in life, that is attitude. Attitude is the number one thing, the most important thing, more than your high IQ, more than your perfect looks, more than your talents and skills. It's the attitude that really matters the most. Okay? Because if you don't have that good attitude, then wa na. Daot ang uban. Okay, ako convinced ka, ay mag-convince, nakita yun na ako kamao kumutan akong bright ang tao. So, pag istorya pa lang ni Jude, when I watch your video, Mr. Jude Bacalso, so nakita na ako that you are one intelligent person. Yeah, you are a well-educated person. Na medyo naalantay attitude kay gawas atong waiter na ako'y nabasahan nga na po ning came out nga murag tao nga naka-experience sa imong kamaldita kato imong gingan laglago nga MC sa usa ka event, imong ginganlan og lago. Okay, probinsyano imong ganahan. Uy, that is so gross of you to do that. Okay, you have no right to belittle and to humiliate anyone, no matter how ordinary the person is. You have no right. Nakatupong sa pato, katong sa salon nga nangasaba kag basta-basta kay maulang ni mao nagisir gihapon ka naunsa ka man in taon. Oy na mga butang, there are things in life and there are things about yourself that you cannot change no matter how hard you try. Okay? Number one is you cannot change the biological fact that you have ulok, you have penis, lalaki ka. And you cannot change the fact that your face, that your physical aspect or appearance is not, you don't really look feminine. Okay? So, you are not slim. Okay? Ako kag batiis, ako kag abaga, and then your face, lucky jud nga gimake upan lang. So you cannot blame people for, addressing you or for calling you Mister or Kuya or what is this? Sir. May gali kay sir ka adto, wala kay kuya. So, tumbling ka siguro kasoko. Di jud ka makademand, di ka makapamugos. Di man ka gwapa. Di man ka gwapa kaayo kay kuan. Laki mo jud kay kagnang, murag gali kag purman. Pura man kag kargador. So lugar-lugar pud natong kuan no. Di ba Brad? Jude? 15 minutes na ko. Should I make it 20 minutes? Di ba? Sige, oo. Pero kung gusto jud ka, okay, approach the person properly. For instance, kung ako magkita tao ni masayog ko gani mo, so you can talk to me that dong I prefer to be called, to be addressed miss or way problema ma'am, no? Pwede ra na siya. Pero yung ato nga update pa niya, the damage has been done. Bisan pag na-naroy video ning gawas nga, it's like you have reconciled already. Kay the guy gave you a hug already. Okay, that's good if it's true. No? Okay, good siya. Pero the hard thing in life, especially nowadays because of the presence of social media, is that you cannot easily erase things that happen already. No, it's so hard to erase that from the memories of individuals who have seen or have witnessed or who have heard about our action. No, so so it will take time before you can get that forgiveness and understanding from people. Kay let's accept the fact that people are really, many people tend to overthink, overgeneralize. People tend to judge us in a negative way. Muna nakalisod na to, diba? So as much as possible, although there is no one perfect, but let's do good only. Okay, let's do good, especially with our dealings, with our treatment to other people. Bisag mga ordinaryo lang na sila. Okay, so dili jud maayo nga atong ingatoon. With idol Mark Anthony Fernandez, the Guapings, I have nothing against it. Basta wala lang mga rape. Pero limit po ng video maghabol pa man gani, manira, ngadto pa magalig tag kalibunan just to hide about such a sensitive pleasure that we wanna do with our, with someone else, with somebody else. Unsa kung i-upload man po di ba? Di ba mag-ana maghabol, manira, mamawang pagsuga. Di ba? Mag-check-in, hotel, unsa po niinta. Nag-check-in toon, nagtago na nirado, give video. Di ka na siguro krasada, no? Di ba? I don't know, where's the sense? Nag-check-in ta. Nagsutag kwarto, kay plano ta mag plok-plok. Nanlock tag kwarto. Di ba? Kaya siyempre di na to kaya nga na itaon, no? Give video. Tapos gi-post sa Facebook, sa YouTube. Ano ba yun? Pero anyway, sa ako lang dapit, I am so entertained. Di ba? Naka-LOL noon ta. Oh, I'm idol. Pero you're still my idol no matter what. Okay, so great job. Not great job, Sir Jude Bacalso. Great job. That's all for tonight. Yeah. Have a nice sleep, everyone. Wow.